At least 2 people were injured, while property worth lakhs has reportedly been damaged during incessant rains, triggering flash floods and landslides in Mangkolemba subdivision of Mokokchung district on Wednesday. Due to the situation, Mangkolemba has reportedly been cut off from the rest of the district. The rain started in the early hours of Wednesday and has caused massive destruction across the area. During the rain and flash floods, a labor camp located at the Khar Mongchen junction was swept away. 2 persons were severely injured during this, but there were no reports of any casualties. Several vehicles are now stuck under the debris carried in by the floods. A crucial meeting on the Assam-Arunachal Pradesh border dispute was held at Joypur IB in Naharkhatia in Dibrugarh district of Assam on Wednesday. The discussion on Namsang area was held during the meeting, and both Assam and Arunachal Pradesh delegations visited the area to take stock of the situation. Arunachal Pradesh Cabinet Minister Wangki Lowang, Borduria MLA Wangle Lawangdok, Tirap Deputy Commissioner Taromize, ADC Diomali and DFO Diomali took part in the meeting from Arunachal Pradesh side. Arunachal Pradesh Minister Wangki Lowang said, "There are border disputes between Assam and Arunachal, but through dialogue and discussions, the issues will be resolved. We are committed to resolve the border disputes amicably." The police department in Mizoram has decided to induct at least 300 personnel into detoxification and rehabilitation camps. The policemen in the dry state consuming alcohol seem to have been a major concern, and the government has been trying to enforce a total prohibition. With this, 338 policemen were identified by the State Police Department. The identified personnel reportedly have been suffering from various ailments due to the consumption of alcohol and other substances. The Mizoram police in a statement said, "The camps are well organized with a systematic daily routine which includes physical exercise, drill, indoor classes, including mental, religious and spiritual guidance sessions. The family members have also been closely associated with the entire exercise." BJP National President JP Nadda will be arriving in Tripura on a 2-day state visit on August 28th next. Nadda's visit assumes significance as the party is gearing up for 2 consecutive elections slated to take place back-to-back in a short span of time. Shortly after Durga Puja, the polls scheduled for VC elections will be declared, and after that, the official countdown for the assembly elections will start. Sources said during his visit, he will address a public meeting at Khumulong, officially blowing the poll bugle for the village committee elections. His public meeting is strategic in the sense after a long time, the state BJP is planning such a grand rally at Khumulong instead of Agartala.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.